Let's start with the first exercise. For this, we're going to be developing one shoe-size prediction with ensemble learning techniques. We are going to implement three regression models, which we are going to be combining in one boarding regressor that is going to help us to create an ensemble model, which is going to be a chart to make our prediction. So what is the first step we should take to get started? Well, don't worry, that's simple. We need to understand the case to identify significant data, to implement the model, organizing information, and finally, we will be implementing the code by developing. For this case, we're talking about one e-commerce platform for footwear, like in this image. And the problem is that customers are struggling to select the correct shoe size when shopping online. So that was a problem. Now, what is the solution? How could we help customers to select the correct shoe size? Well, the solution will be integrating a shoe size prediction tool based on ensemble learning techniques. We understood what was the problem, then what is the solution, but what about the key data for model implementation? For that, we need to identify substantial information. The user input is providing weight, height, and gender. So those will be the features. And the third will be the shoe size prediction. So let's go to the most important or the reason why you are watching this video. Let's go. I'm on the Google collaboration, and the first thing that I did was to upload the historical data that contain the gender, the height, the shoe size, and the weight columns. Import the libraries. Here we are going to import pandas, and we're going to use scikit-learn library to access to every class. Now, version regressor from scikit-learn neighbors regressor, and finally we're required to access to the ensemble module. Because there we can access to the voting regressor class. Load our historical data. So, analysis. And prepare features and target variables. Target will be shoe size. We are required to define the regression models. Regression class. Then the regressor. Something that is important to understand here is that for this model, we're required to set one hyperparameter, which will be n neighbors equal to 4. I decide 4, but that could be any other number. 4 for the closest points to the prediction. Create ensemble model. The voting regressor. So let's include the model. So we have already defined it above. We require two training model, right? The ensemble model. We require to provide some sample data to make our prediction, right? So in this case, height equal to 145. So next to do will be to make the prediction. For that, let's use the prediction variable equal to model.predict to use the predict method. Oh, dimensions include gender, include weight, and include height. We can make our prediction with this line, but to visualize that information, we require to print it, right? So let's visualize, print. So that was almost finished. Now printf if the final user is a male, in this case, because gender is equal to 0, then the true size prediction will be prediction. What prediction? The first prediction that is on the 0 position. Then let's close it. Let's run it. Let's read the answer. If the final user is a male and the height is 145, then the shoe size prediction will be 29.44. So this is it. This is the shoe size prediction, and I really hope that you enjoy it.